Hey there, Randall Mackey here with your weekly update to ArtStation Learning. This week we have 3 new courses that we are really excited to share with you. First up, we'd like to introduce Kem Yarlioglu and his first course, Introduction to Houdini, Generating Terrain. This course is a brief overview of all the common nodes used inside of Houdini to frequently create landscapes. This is not a course that will get you making production level landscapes yet, but it is a basic overview of all the nodes and how to use them together, including the UI overview of Houdini, how to use height field noise and distort, height field masking, height field terrace and slump, height field erosion, and height field visualize. Kem will be going forward with some more courses on terrain generation in the future. We'd also like to introduce instructor Tyler Smith and his first course, Understanding Game Environment, Staging, and Composition. This fantastic course is a broad overview of the artistic and gameplay principles at play in creating a game environment. Tyler will cover the use of space, shape, composition, lighting, and color to create a visually appealing environment that is critical to making exploring a game world fun and engaging. Finally, this week, we have the 4th part of Alex Castaneda's oil painting series. In this part, Alex will demonstrate painting an organic still life using the Zorn palette, which he established in part 3. He will also show you how to approach the drawing and then how to transfer your drawing onto the canvas for painting. As with Alex's previous classes, this class is designed for you to paint along with, and that is the best way to get the most out of Alex's courses. Also, look for more classes from Alex coming soon, including planes of the head, painting the skull, and male and female portraits. As always, all current and future content on ArtStation Learning is included in your Pro or Plus subscription. If you don't have a subscription and you would like to gain access to all Learning has to offer, as well as a host of other great features, you can go to artstation.com/subscribe and compare plans. We are ramping up to some big content releases here soon, and we have dozens, even hundreds of courses in production across a variety of topics. We are also working hard to continue to bring new improvements and features to the platform. Thank you for being a part of our wonderful community, and we'll see you next week with some new content.